Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an ATM card, an easy guide for everyone. First, find a convenient ATM that displays your card's network logos, like Plus or Cirrus. Always choose a well-lit and secure location for your transaction. Before you even approach the machine, make sure you have your ATM card and your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, readily available. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and quick process. Once at the ATM, carefully insert your card into the flashing slot. Most cards have an arrow indicating the correct orientation, usually chip first and face up. The machine will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. It's super important to shield the keypad with your free hand while typing your PIN. This simple step adds a crucial layer of security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. After successfully entering your PIN, the ATM will present you with a menu of transaction options. You can typically choose to withdraw cash, make a deposit, check your balance, or transfer funds. If you're withdrawing, select the withdrawal option, then specify which account, like checking or savings, and enter the exact amount you need. Always double-check all the details displayed on the screen before confirming your choice to avoid any errors. Once you've confirmed your transaction, the ATM will process your request. Be sure to collect your cash, your ATM card, and your transaction receipt promptly. It's a good habit to count your cash right there at the machine to confirm you received the correct amount. Always keep your receipt. It's a valuable record for your personal finances and can help you reconcile your bank statements later. Remember to never leave your card or cash behind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.